Hey Monopoly Go fans, ever wonder what loyalty points are and how to get them fast? Stick with me. I'll show you how to earn loyalty point in Monopoly Go and what they are used for. First, what are they? Loyalty points are special points you earn for participating in the game consistently and they help you unlock exclusive rewards. Here's how you get them. Daily logins. Every day you log in, you earn points. Don't skip a day. Participating in events. When you roll and complete event milestone, you will earn loyalty point along with other rewards. Some players earn loyalty point through in-game purchase too. If you are spending a dice or pack, you will sometime earn bonus loyalty point with those purchases. And here is the fun and quick question for you. What do you save your loyalty point for? Dice, sticker packs, or special offer? Drop in the comment below. And that's how you get loyalty point in Monopoly Go. Log in daily, cross event, and keep your streak going. If this helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more Monopoly Go tips, and hit the bell icon and happy rolling!